So this is how you can accept shared album on the iPhone. That's how it works. Let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So at first, both the devices, the one that you are sharing the album from, as well as the one you want to accept it on, have to have that option enabled in the settings. So you tap on the settings app, go to your profile, and at the top, and click on the iCloud right there. And you'll be able to see the syncing of the iPhone toggle, which is for full photos backup. You don't need to do that, but at the bottom you have the shared albums toggle, right? And that has to be enabled, especially on it has to be on both basically devices turned on. And then when you do this, you can start sharing the album. Like you go to the albums on one device, click on share, shared album, start a new one, and you click on the invited people. So you basically add the person here and you'll be able to just access their contacts and whatever and send the invitation over. On the next iPhone, you as well open up the Photos app, go to Collections and Albums, and switch from the personal to the shared, right? But most likely you'll at first have to go to the activity and you'll be able to see the invitation right there. So this is what it will kind of look like. You will have the ability to see what's really going on. So you'll see like the name of that person and that they decided to invite you, so you can join that photo album. You have the accept and a decline button, and this is basically it. You have to click on accept and you'll be able to just access that album. When it comes to some permissions, this comes down to the decision of the creator. So there you can decide if everyone can upload photos or only view them, whatever. But this is how it generally works. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up and make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.